More bad press tonight for Obamacare. Another prominent Democrat is jumping off the bandwagon, and a whole group of ACA fans right on his heels. White House correspondent Wendell Goler tells us why.
The Business Roundtable, or BRT, is the latest Obamacare supporter having a kind of buyer's remorse, though the president wasn't pressed about it in a question and answer session.
When it comes to health care costs, premiums have gone up at the lowest pace on record, which means that a lot of the businesses here are saving money, as are a lot of consumers.
What concerns the group is a provision targeting smokers, overweight workers, and those with hypertension that allows employers to reward workers who reduce illness risk factors. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission is challenging the medical screenings, health questionnaires, weight loss, and smoking cessation programs as unfair. The BRT, whose members insure 40 million people, says, quote, "This was a major issue to our members because it allowed them to better control health care costs." The White House says the EEOC is an independent agency, though it disagrees with the challenge.
This is, or this at least could be, inconsistent with what we know about wellness programs. And the fact that we know that wellness programs are good for both employers and employees.
But it's unclear what, if anything, the White House can do about the EEOC legal challenge. The BRT's concerns follow second thoughts by Iowa Democratic Senator Tom Harkin, who feels the law was made too complicated to satisfy centrists. He said, quote, "We should have either done it the correct way or not done anything at all." And New York Democrat Chuck Schumer is sticking by his comment that the Democrats' mandate was to focus on the economy, not health care.
I've given a 20-page speech. I hope you read it all. It's all I'm going to say on that issue.
The administration was already in damage control after a health economist said Obamacare passed in part because of the stupidity of the American voter. Aides say that's not how the president sees it, and former HHS Secretary Kathleen Sebelius says Jonathan Gruber wasn't plugged in enough to know.
Maybe he was in a large room. He could have been on a phone call, but in terms of small meetings discussing policy, that never happened.
White House officials continue to spotlight the number of people newly insured under the Affordable Care Act. Asked if they were worth the political cost, Press Secretary Josh Earnest said, without a doubt, though clearly some Democratic lawmakers do have doubts. Brett?
Wendell Goler, live on the North Lawn for, it's hard to believe I'm saying this, the last time. Wendell starts a well-deserved retirement tomorrow. Wendell, from all of us here, good luck to you. We will miss you greatly.
Thank you, Brett.